Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my high puffs with an old wash and go. And I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. In this video for my hair, I'm going to be using my mist spray bottle, a pick, toothbrush, edge control, this certain edge control, and then these three different brushes.
Okay, for sure then. I like that then, Gene.
You don't want no problem, with me.
I'm over here cooking up.
You don't want no problem.
My phone speaking sexually. Every time I'm out, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie, I call her Stephanie. I don't open doors for no hoe. I just want the neck, nothing more. Baby, make it clap, make it applause. Tired of you making me a call. What are you willing to do? Tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it better, baby. Hold up. They don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Back up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. Can't you see there's no other girl above you? What a wicked way to treat the boy that loves you. Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down, they don't love you like I love you. You know what it is, girl, we back up in this thing. Money stay in my pocket, girl, I'm like a walking bank. Tell me what you drink, tell me what you think. If I go get these bottles, we go alcohol and tank. Cause I know what you want, but you're not gon' get it. That's enough for sure, got you vibing with me. You do what you want with somebody else, I'm gon' baby. You don't want no problem with me. You don't want no problem with me. Just another day, have to pick up on a mail. Armand and Trey be riding through the streets, they be like they go oh, 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 oh.
Yeah.
On to the eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to be using my Anastasi brow wiz color in chocolate. I'm gonna start by filling in my eyebrows.
Listening to my shit, she wanna hit track 6. She told me that's her. Every girl said I got the title. Got a nigga feeling like Michael Jackson.
Feel me. Now, if you have thick eyebrows, you might not have to do this part. Everybody's not blessed.
Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than two. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got now. I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Poppin', you come on the way, am I in the way? No.
I went ahead and did this eyebrow off camera. So you're gonna take the spoolie on the other side of the pencil and then just blend this part in. Just like that. Just blend it right on in. Boom, like so. That's some kind of thick. It's okay, I'm gonna fix it up with that concealer. But this is what it's looking like. I am using the LA Girl Pro Conceal, the go-to. And this is in the color medium beige. I'm gonna take a little bit and put it right here. Just dab it right down. And then take my flat angled brush, dip it in here, and then line my eyebrow up using the concealer. Let me step back.
I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just feel on your babe. And then you feel like a leg. I wanna swim with my face. I'm like, okay.
I like concealer because if I don't have my eyebrows done, it'll just cover up those little hairs that need to get plucked. Some people conceal just their bottom, and some conceal top and bottom. I do top and bottom because that's how I like it. I like for it to look real nice and clean. Boom. Look at the difference. And then do the top part.
Take it. I know you wanna see me naked. I wanna be your baby. Spinning in his just like a kid from Maytag. White dude, missing on the brown.
I like to drag it up when I'm doing it because it makes blending much easier.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, I like.
And I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow off camera.
Now that I have the other side done, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, it's down, and then just blend in that concealer.
Got down and twerk like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Tell me how you got down and twerk like that. Hey, puedes cantar en español?
And then I like to dab. See where the concealer is.
Tengo que bailar contigo hoy. Yeah. Vi que tuya rata ya estaba llamando.
For the eyebrows, that's how I do my eyebrows. They're not perfect. Everybody does their eyebrows different. This is how I do my eyebrows. Some people like to add like little hairs up in there. I ain't got time for that. So this is just how I do my eyebrows. Everybody's been asking me, how do you do your eyebrows? How do you get your eyebrows to look like that? This is how I'm done. So now let me take off my scarf to see what this hair is looking like. Make sure it's late, honey. Late. Okay. Alrighty guys, this is it. I'm gonna go put probably some lashes on or something. So you can see my concealer. Hold on.
I'm the one. Early morning and I don't know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah.
These are the lashes that I have on. The Jasmine Brown collection of Eyelure. They're beautiful. I don't even have eyeliner on. All I need is the lashes. That's it. I love them. guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment what you think about this video, if you guys learned something, anything. But yeah, until next time.